Hi guys, Dr. McPherson with My Spine and Joint. I just wanted to make a quick video to our patients about all things surrounding coronavirus and our practices here at My Spine and Joint. First off, I wanted to say thank you all for all of your support all of the time. And it's really been a pleasure and always is a pleasure to work with you guys each and every day. During this time of uncertainty, I know a lot of you have a lot of questions about a lot of things, but for the most part, a lot of you have still been coming in for your appointments, and we want to let you know some of the things we're doing around the practice to make sure that we're making it the safest and healthiest environment for you. So just want to let you know about our cleaning procedures here. As you know, the office is always very clean. It always smells great. It looks great. Everything's very well upkept. And our staff, we've implemented some new policies, but in general, what we normally do is we take this strong cleaning solution that we use that kills everything that you can imagine, and we spray it onto the tables and we let it sit there for about 30 seconds to a minute. And then we wipe that off and make sure we get all the spaces and all the crevices and cracks. And then after that, we allow for the table to dry before we bring each patient in. Now, this is our normal procedure. However, during this time of uncertainty, we've just sharpened it up a little bit more and let patients know what we're doing so that you feel fully at ease that when you're laying on the table, that you're very comfortable there knowing that it's a fully clean table. Some of the things we've done around the practice is we started to wipe off the doorknobs and the handles around each door every hour. We've wiped all the common surfaces, the ledges, everything like that that you think you can touch. We wipe those off. We also always have hand sanitizer in multiple places for both staff and patients to use as needed. And if you ever need help finding any of that, just ask any of the staff members and they'll show you where those are. We are definitely always washing our hands very often. So the soap we use here is an antimicrobial soap, everywhere from the restroom, public restroom, to common areas and employee and staff areas. So warm water after every patient, we always wash our hands. And I encourage staff, even when they're typing or using their phones or pens, to also use hand sanitizer at the minimum between those activities, but always washing your hands after interacting with each and every guest. So during this time, what you'll find is we'll use gloves while we're treating the patient, disposable gloves, especially when we're working in and around the neck and face areas. So that should give you a little bit of comfort knowing that there is a fully sanitary situation going on and no germ transfer between my hands and your face or areas in and around your face. So you'll find that we'll use gloves when we're adjusting your neck areas. And if you request and if you would like, we can use gloves, and staff will use gloves during any other service or procedure that you're having here. In addition to our treatment areas, you'll find our common areas are also going to be wiped down very frequently with a solution of germicidal, bleach, and water. And so this happens every hour or more frequently if we have downtime to wipe the common areas in the lobby, such as our waiting room, the drink and beverage station, the pens, the clipboards. Everything that we have in the office gets wiped down as often as we can at the minimum of an hour every hour each day. And we also perform a deep cleaning every day at the end of the day. So hopefully that gives you some ideas as to what we're doing here at the practice, not just daily, even from the day we opened until now, but some of the new things we're doing to make sure that every single day and every single moment and encounter is the cleanest and most sanitary experience that you can have here. So if you have any additional questions, please call us or text us, and I'll be happy to answer those for you. And again, as long as we feel it's a safe environment and we have the okay from the city officials and the government officials to continue to serve, we will continue to open our doors for additional clients so you guys can continue to feel happy. And just a reminder, chiropractic adjustments, as we always say, really helps boost your immune system actually. So I'm going to actually post some articles and links near this video here so you guys can look at some additional resources, not only for this current coronavirus environment, but also for how chiropractic can help you boost your immune system naturally. So again, I look forward to seeing you all in the practice. Any questions, call me or text me, and the staff and I will be happy to answer those questions for you. Have a good evening.